Ding, 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 ding. Hi, welcome to Tutorial Group FB2 Group 2's podcast, and today we're going to talk about computer network alongside with my friends.
Hi, I am Aidil Riski bin Yumat.
And I'm Shawn Tiew.
And my name is NAQIB bin YAZID.
In this podcast, we will talk about what is computer network, the history of it, the examples of computer network, the applications, and the pros and cons. Allow my friend to begin.
This part, I will introduce you guys to computer network. So, a computer network is what connect two or more devices to share information and resources. Moreover, connection can be wired or wireless, forming small networks in homes, offices, or large networks across countries. The internet is the largest global network, supporting communication, business, and education worldwide. So for the history of computer network, first is ARPANET. The concept of computer networking began in the 1960s with the US Department of Defense project called ARPANET. In long, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was the first network implement packet switching, which is a method of breaking data into smaller packets for faster and more reliable transmission. The second one is NSFNet. By the 1980s, the National Science Foundation, for short NSFNet, built a high-speed backbone network that connected universities and research institutions. Commercial networks soon followed, leading to the growth of modern internet. This is Tim Berners-Lee. In 1990s, the introduction of World Wide Web, or WWW, by Tim Berners-Lee made the internet more accessible to the public, allowing users to browse web pages using browsers like Mosaic and Netscape. So this is the example of computer network. First, we got local area network. Local area network cover a small geographical area such as home, school, or office. For example, computers in a school computer lab is connected to share files and printer. The second one is wide area network. It covers a large geographical area, often connecting multiple LANs. The internet, which connects computer and network worldwide. Next, I pass it on to Shawn.
Thank you, Aidil. So now, let's talk about the core mechanisms of computer network. Firstly, we have 5G-enabled nanotechnology. It's used in healthcare where nanosensors are implanted in the body, which they are able to transmit real-time medical data via 5G. Next, we have smart cities. Environmental nanosensors are able to monitor pollution and the structural integrity of buildings. Thirdly, we have Industrial Internet of Things. Nano-enabled robotics in manufacturing with real-time feedback over 5G. Security technologies also plays a huge part in computer network. We have VPN, also known as Virtual Private Network. It encrypts remote access traffic for employees working from home. Not only employees, us students we also can use VPN to access data from other countries too. Next is intrusion detection and prevention system. In short, it's IDS or IPS. It detects abnormal traffic and blocks malicious patterns. Thirdly, we have firewalls. It acts as gatekeepers filtering traffic based on predefined rules. Lastly, we have data communication. It's important because of its cellular architecture. It's a hierarchical design with base stations communicating via core network for routing traffic. Its frequency reuses. It also optimizes spectrum by enabling neighboring cells to reuse frequency bands. And data technology. It advances from 2G, also known as digitized voice, to 4G LTE, high-speed internet, and to now 5G. And in the future, it's promising 6G as well. Let me pass this time to AIRIEL.
Alright, thank you Shawn for the baton. So, in this modern era, computer network have greatly helped us in our daily life. However, they also have several disadvantages. Therefore, I will be discussing the pros and cons of computer network. The first one of the pros of computer network is it has central storage of data. It means information can be stored and managed in the file server. For example, the famous file server is iCloud, which is it's very familiar to the iOS user. Next, the computer network also is the communication. It can enable fast communication via email, chat, or video conferencing. The third one is storage capacity. Networking technology ensures smooth sharing, reliable storage, and sufficient space for all information. The fourth one is file and resources sharing. Easy access and sharing of data, software, and hardware. So next, we go to the cons of computer network. First one is virus and malware. Computer networking can lead to the spreading of viruses to another computer through network. Second, security risk. Prone to hacking, viruses, and unauthorized access. The third cause of computer network is high setup and maintenance costs. Installing server, routers, and network cables can be expensive and regular maintenance required. The last one, technical problems. Network failure, server crashes, or connectivity issues can disrupt connection and workflow. So guys, we already reached the end part of our podcast.
So, to wrap things up, computer networks aren't just about connecting machines, they are also about connecting people, ideas, and opportunities. They are like the invisible threads that make our modern world run, from the internet we use every day to the system businesses rely on. That's all from our side, and we hope you enjoyed learning about computer networks as much as we enjoyed sharing it with you. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.